At St. David's HealthCare, we believe health starts long before someone walks through our hospital doors. It starts in neighborhoods where people dream of stability, safety, and a place to grow. Together with St. David's Foundation, we're proud to support initiatives like Habitat for Humanity's 2025 Jimmy and Rosalynn Carter Work Project, which brought together thousands of volunteers in Travis County to help build 25 affordable homes in just 5 days. St. David's Foundation awarded a $600,000 grant to Austin Habitat for Humanity to support the development of affordable homes in the Whisper Valley neighborhood, which will allow working residents to have a comfortable, stable place to call home and to raise their families surrounded by neighbors. Employees from St. David's HealthCare and St. David's Foundation were among the volunteers who provided their time and talents to help construct homes for 25 hardworking Central Texas families. Our clinical teams were also on site to care for volunteers, providing medical attention and transport when needed, so they could stay healthy and focused on building homes and changing lives. At St. David's HealthCare, we know that health is more than a visit to the doctor. It's about building stronger, more connected communities. Because here, the best isn't just inside our hospitals, it's in the heart of Central Texas communities.